Hi there, welcome to Belfiore Beauty and Training. Today we're going to be fixing this horrendous situation, and by fixing it, basically trying again using the same silicone mold that I used to create these bows the last time, but I think I could have gotten something wrong. So this time I want to try it again, but with a different method, and hope that it works out better this time. I have no problem with trial and error, and until I actually get it right. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Please continue to watch. If you find this video to be helpful, please do subscribe, like, and comment any recommendations for another video that you may have, or just give me feedback for this video, as well as sharing the video to another nail technician that you think might actually benefit from this information. I am also still selling my ebook, Checklist How to Start a Nail Business, and it's available on Amazon. The link will be available in the description. Alright, so without taking too long, let's get started with this video. This is how it looks now. It definitely feels much stronger when I do this, like there's really hardly any gaps on the inside, so the gel is fully solid. So it's a lot better to have it done in this format compared to just putting a whole lot of gel. And yeah, that worked. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with another nail technician, and I will see you in the next one.